ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। देहं प्राणमपीन्द्रियाण्यपि चलां बुद्धिं च शून्यं विदुः स्त्रीबालान्धजडोपमास्त्वहमिति भ्रान्ताभृशं वादिनः। मायाशक्तिविलासकल्पितमः व्यामोहसंहारिणे तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। 11th वार्तिका इंट्रोडक्शन। उक्त अनुमानेषु अप्रयोजकत्व शंका निवृत्तये विपक्ष बाधकम तर्कम आह। मूर्छेति। उक्त अनुमान मीन्स व्हाट इज द अनुमान? देहः अयम देह न आत्मा दृश्यत्वात् जाड्यवत्वात् जाड्यवत्वात् या जाड्यवत्वतः रूपादिमत्वात् एक्सेट्रा। इन दिस अनुमान अप्रयोजकत्व शंका, what is अप्रयोजकत्व शंका, and then for its nivritti vipaksh badhaka tarka. So this is little bit specific to न्याय दर्शन। जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द धूम वन्य दृष्टांत। यत्र यत्र धूमः तत्र तत्र वन्यः, दिस इज द व्याप्ति। व्हाट इज द साध्य? साध्य इज वन्य इज द साध्य एंड हेतु इज धूमः। So, with the help of Dhuma Hetu, we want to do Siddhi of Vanni in Parvata, where it is not Pratyaksha. So, Paroksha Vanni Siddhi is done through Pratyaksha Dhuma. Now, in Mahanasa, if you have seen Dhuma and Vanni, every time there is Sahachara of Dhuma and Vanni. So Siddhanti has come out with the Vyapti yatra yatra Dhumah tatra tatra Vanni. But somebody may say yatra yatra Vanni tatra tatra dhumah, because he says wherever I have seen fire, I have seen smoke also. Yatra yatra vanni tatra tatra dhumah. So you have to say that there is vyabhichara in this vyapti. यत्र यत्र वन्निः तत्र तत्र धूमः, in this there is vyabhichara. Where is the vyabhichara? In the river, how do you, what is vyabhichara? Vyabhichara means hetu is sadhya is not, that is called vyabhichara. हाँ, so in Ayogolaka Vanni, if you say yatra yatra vanni, tatra tatra dhumaha, then vanni will become hetu. Dhuma will become sadhya. If dhuma is not there in a place where vanni is there, means hetu is there, sadhya is not there. That is called vyabhichara. That is present in ayogolaka. Vanni is there, dhuma is not there. So this is called vyabhichara. Now he says, if you are showing vyabhichara in my vyapti, I will also say there is vyabhichara in your vyapti. Your vyapti means yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vannihi. In this vyapti also there is vyabhichara. So how will he say vyabhichara shanka nature will be dhumo astu vannim astu? This is vyabhichara shanka. Let there be dhuma but no fire. So now Siddhanti has to give tarka. Whatever answer Siddhanti will give to this vyabhichara shanka, for the vyabhichara shanka nivritti will be called tarka. That is that word vipaksha badhakam tarkam. That tarka is this. In Tarka Sangraha, what is the definition of tarka, you know? Where does tarka come? Tarka is, okay, you know what is jnanam in Tarka Sangraha? Jnanam is of how many types? Yathartha and ayathartha. And jnana vilakshana is called smriti. Smriti is different from jnanam. So jnanam is smriti vilakshanam, and it is yathartha and ayathartha. Yathartha will be based on the prama. Yatharthanubhava is called prama. So yatharthanubhava or yatharthanubhava, both are under jnanam. Ayathartha anubhava is of three types. What are the three types? Ayathartha anubhava is samshaya, viparyaya and tarka. Third one is tarka. So this is the tarka. So Siddhanti will have to say, if Purva Pakshi says dhumo astu vannim astu, Siddhanti will say यदि वन्नी न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोपि न स्यात्. If Vanni was not there, Dhuma also would not have been there. So you cannot say यदि Vanni न स्यात् तर्हि सिंहोपि न स्यात्. यदि Vanni न स्यात् तर्हि वृक्षोपि न स्यात्. You cannot say this way. Why? Because Vanni and Simha, Vanni and Vriksha, there is no Vyapti. But Vanni and Dhuma, there is Vyapti. So, because Siddhanti knows that there is such Vyapti, therefore he will do this Tarka for Vyabhichara Shanka Nivritti. यदि वन्य न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोपि न स्यात्. This is called aharya jnanam. Aharya means he already knows there is dhuma. यदि वन्य न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोपि न स्यात्. Dhuma jnana he already has. So knowing very well dhuma, he is doing like a superimposition that if fire was not there, smoke also would not have been there. Since smoke is there, therefore fire has to be there. In this way, Siddhanti is putting his argument. So this Vyabhichara Shanka Nivartaka is the Tarka. व्यभिचार शंका is presented by पूर्व पक्षी. व्यभिचार शंका निवर्तक is the tarka. धूमो अस्तु वह्निमास्तु is the व्यभिचार शंका. यदि वह्नि न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोपि न स्यात् is व्यभिचार शंका निवर्तक तर्क. तत्शून्यत्वम, वेयर दिस व्यभिचार शंका निवर्तक तर्क शून्यत्व means तर्क अभाव is there. If Siddhanti doesn't have this, then Siddhanti's argument would be aprayojaka. That hetu would become aprayojaka. Dhuma would become aprayojaka hetu for vanni siddhi. Dhuma hetu would become aprayojaka. So in dhuma hetu there will be aprayojakatvam. Okay. Now see the sentence. Ukta anumaneshu aprayojakatva शंका निवृत्तये विपक्ष बाधकम तर्कमाह. So to remove the aprayojakatva shanka means that whatever hetu that you have given, that I am deha na atma drishyatvad, he said let drishyatva be there but anatmatva will not be there. Let jadyatva be there and anatmatva will not be there. These are all aprayojakatva in the hetu. So for the nivritti of these aprayojakatva shanka, vipaksha badhakam tarka. Vipaksha badhaka tarka will be that if drishyatva is there, then it has to be anatma. If jadyatva is there, it has to be anatma in this way. If atmatva would be there, drishyatva would not have been there. If atmatva would be there in deha, jadyatva would not be there. So in this way we have to do tarka. That is presented in the next shloka now. So I hope this is clear. And this part, whatever I explained, you have to listen 2, 3, 4 times. First you have to write down everything. And all the key words, I gave only half of it here. This first part is called, in Siddhanta Bindu, I think I might have explained, it is called Apadya Vyapya Apadakavatta Jnanam. This is Tarkasya Prati Karanam. Apadya Vyapya Apadakavatta Jnanam Tarkasya Prati Karanam. So for Tarka you need Apadya Vyapya Apadakavatta Jnanam. Apadya is Dhuma Abhava. Apadaka is Vanni Abhava. Yadi Vanni na Syat means Yadi Vanni Abhava Syat Tarhi Dhumo Abhava Pi Syat. So Dhuma Abhava will be Apadya. Apatti Vishaya is called Apadya. Vanni Abhava will be Apadaka. In Dhuma and Vanni, Dhuma is Vyapya or Vyapaka? There are only 2 options, so you have to guess from Vyapya. Dhuma is Vyapya, Vanni is Vyapaka. Vyapaka means that which is in Adhika Desha. Adhika Desha Vritti is called Vyapaka. Alpa Desha Vritti is called Vyapya. In Vanni Abhava and Dhuma Abhava, what will be Vyapya and what will be Vyapaka? In Vanni Abhava and Dhuma Abhava, Vanni Abhava will be Vyapya, Dhuma Abhava will be Vyapaka. So when it is said Apadya Vyapya Apadakavatta Jnanam Tarkasya Pratikaranam, so धूम अभाव व्याप्य वन्नी अभावक वत्ता ज्ञानम तर्कस्य प्रति कारणम. 1. सेकेंड, आपाद्य व्यतिरेक निश्चयश्च तर्कस्य प्रति कारणम. आपाद्य व्यतिरेक, आपाद्य इज धूम अभाव. धूम अभाव व्यतिरेक, धूम अभाव व्यतिरेक मीन्स धूम अभाव अभाव, व्यतिरेक मीन्स अभाव. धूम अभाव अभाव मीन्स धूम भाव, because Siddhanti is already seeing dhuma. When you are confident that I see smoke, there has to be fire, so then you can do tarka without hesitation. Like in, you know, in Mumbai, if you are in June July season, everything is wet, you can blindly say it must have rained. Why? Because you are seeing the effect. Like how doctors do analysis, you know, they see something in the test result, they can easily say this must be the cause. So if this is called apadya vyatireka nishchaya, dhuma bhava nishchaya is there, and this vanni abhava dhuma abhava, in that also there is vyapti, that यदि वन्य न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोपि न स्यात्. This, in that he has the jnanam that vanni abhava and dhuma abhava, in them there is vyapya vyapaka sambandha. This he clearly knows. So if dhuma abhava is there, dhuma abhava vyapya will be vanya abhava. Vanya abhava is always vyapya, dhuma abhava will become vyapaka. So in this way, this kind of jnanam, when it is there, then the person can do tarka. So now here in the current context, ayam deha na atma, and hetus were given, right? So Purva Pakshi says drishyatvam astu, anatmatvam mastu. Let there be drishyatva. Drishyatva doesn't mean it is anatma. Jadatva doesn't mean it is anatma. So now we have to do tarka against him. Murcha supti maranesh murcha sushupti marane shvapi deha pradrishyate देहादि व्यतिरिक्तत्वात् तदात्मान प्रतीयते. मूर्छा सुषुप्ति मरणे श्वपि देहः प्रदृश्यते देहादि व्यतिरिक्तत्वात् तदात्मान प्रतीयते. मूर्छा सुषुप्ति मरणे शु अपि देहः प्रदृश्यते, मीन्स देह दृश्यते. देह is there or not in मूर्छा, in sushupti and marana. Deha is there, but in that deha atma avabhasa, aham, this type of jnanam is not there. Therefore, deha cannot be atma. If deha was atma, then in that deha, bhanam in the form of aham would have been there. So in murcha sushupti maraneshu deha pradrishyate dehadi vyatiriktatvat tad atma na pratiyate. That which is different from deha, where there is bhanam, that cannot be deha, that atma cannot be deha. So in Tika it is explained little more. Yadi deha eva atma syat, See, previous anumanam was ayam deha na atma. Now he is saying yadi deha eva atma syat tada means tarhi tasminneva avabhasamane atma anavabhaso na syat. Tasmin means deha. Deha avabhasamane. When body is there, body is experienced in the form of, at least others can see it, in murcha, marana, sushupti. So others can see it. Tasmin avabhasamane, dehe avabhasamane, atma anavabhasa. Atma buddhi is not there in that. That's why somebody can put that body in fire and nobody is there to say anything, or they can put it in Ganga ji, or they can put it in inside the earth, cremation. Nobody has any problem. But if deha was atma, then deha is still there. So in murcha, sushupti, marana time, nobody would put that body in fire, water, or in the earth. So yadi deha eva atma syat tada tasmin avabhasamane atma anavabhaso na syat bhavati cha murchadi avasthasu atma anavagamah sampratipanna. Murchadi avasthasu atma anavagamah sampratipanna. Sampratipanna means that which is accepted by paksha vipaksha, both parties, both, or purva paksha siddhanta, both of them, they agree that in murcha, in the deha, there is no atma avagama. Atma avabhanam is not there in murcha, sushupti, marana. So this is accepted by both. What is accepted by both, only that can be taken as drishtanta. What is debated will go in paksha, and what is agreed by both will become drishtanta. अतः तासु अवस्थासु अहमिति अनवभासमानः अवस्थान्तरे च अवभासमान आत्मा देह अन्य एव इति सिद्धम इत्यर्थः. अतः तासु अवस्थासु, therefore in those avasthas, aham iti anavabhasamanah, tasu avasthasu murcha sushupti maraneshu, in those avasthas aham, this kind of avabhasamanam is not there. Avabhasamana deha. So atma anavabhasamanam is there, means atma bhanam is not there. Deha is there in these avasthas. Avasthantere cha avabhasamana atma deha anya eva. Since in these avasthas, murcha, sushupti, marana, deha is there, atma avabhasa is not there. Atma avabhasa is not there. Therefore, in other avasthas also, jagrat, swapna, sushupti, deha is there. In deha, there is no direct atma avabhasa. In other words, deha is not atma. So this is done through a tarka. Like how it was said, yadi vanni na syat tarhi dhumopi na syat. So like here how it is put, yadi deha eva atma syat, means yadi deha anatma na syat. Deha anatma na syat means deha atma syat. Tada tasmin neva, and then it further is easy. So the idea is very simple, that in murcha, sushupti, marana, deha is there, nobody is there to claim aham, therefore deha cannot be atma. And at that time deha is drishya, jada, रूपादिमान सांश भौतिक like a pot. देहातिरिक्त आत्मसद्भावे अनुमानानंतरम आह. Now देह अतिरिक्त आत्मसद्भाव, other than body there is atma, in that there is another anumanam, anumanantaram aha. So further anumanas are given. यथा जगत प्रवृत्तिना मादि कारणमंशुमान् पुमांस्तथैव देहादि प्रवृत्तौ कारणं परम्. मम देहोऽयमित्येवं स्त्रीबालोन्धश्च मन्यते. देहोऽहमिति नावैति कदाचिदपि कश्चन. यथा जगत्प्रवृत्तिना मादिकारणमंशुमान् पुमांस्तथैव देहादि प्रवृत्तौ कारणं परम्. मम देहोऽयमित्येवं स्त्रीबालोन्धश्च मन्यते. देहोऽहमिति नावैति कदाचिदपि कश्चन. यथा जगत प्रवृत्तीनाम आदि कारणम अंशुमान तथैव देहादि प्रवृत्तौ परम कारणम पुमान. नाइस वर्ड्स, अंशुमान पुमान. जस्ट एज फॉर जगत प्रवृत्ति आदि कारण इज अंशुमान. अंशुमान मीन्स सन. So all pravritti starts because of sun, it being present in the same way, and that sun is different from jagat. In the same way, dehadi pravrittau param karanam, for the activities in the body, senses, etc. The supreme cause is Atma. In the presence of Atma, all activities take place. Actually, this is from Upanishad, this drishtanta. Suryo yatha yas sarvalokasya chakshuhu न लिप्यते चाक्षुषैर बाह्य दोषैः एकस्तथा सर्वभूतांतरात्मा न लिप्यते लोक दुःखेन बाह्यः. एंड मम देहोयम इति एवं स्त्री बालोन्धश्च मन्यते. स्त्री बाल अंध means here there is no separate meaning given. All those people who don't think, there is no elaboration in Tika also. Stri Balondha, because these words are there in the Mula Shloka. So non-thinkers, what do they say? Mama Deha, my body, my body. I am not the body. I have body. It is as false as I am the body. Dehoham iti na avaiti kadachidapi kaschana. So at least what is said, kaschana kadachidapi dehoham iti navaiti. Navaiti, how do you split that word? Na avaiti. What is avaiti? No, na is not. Avaiti will become. So what? How is avaiti word formed? Ava upasarga and eti. Ava plus eti avaiti. Then ava plus eti aiti vriddhi. How the vriddhi will take place? एत्येध्यत्युत्सु, दिस इज द सूत्र. एत्येध्यत्युत्सु. सो न अव एति, नावैति, न जानाति इत्यर्थः. देहोहम इति कदाचिदपि कस्य न. नोबडी थिंक्स आई एम बॉडी and childish people think my body. So both are wrong. I am body is also wrong. I have body is also wrong. That's why and these are viparita bhavana. After studying also, I am the body or I have the body, these ideas will be there. So to remove that, nididhyasanam is I am not the body, I don't have the body, and body is mithya. That is, there is no body. Similarly, mind. I am not, main are these two. I am not the, see, either we get stuck in sthula sharira or we get stuck in sukshma sharira. So that's why deha and mana. I am not the mind. I don't have the mind. Mind is mithya. टीका. गाढ़ांधकार व्याप्त गुहांतस्थ देह व्यापारो देहातिरिक्त प्रकाश संसर्ग निमित्तः देह व्यापारत्वात् दिवा बहिर्दिवाकर प्रकाश सान्निध्य निमित्त देह व्यापारवत् इत्यर्थः. अनुमानम. व्हाट इज द साध्य इन दिस अनुमानम? Okay, you note down. Dehatirikta prakasha sansarga nimittatvam is the sadhya. So dehadirikta prakasha sansarga nimitta is given. Tattvam will be sadhya. Paksha will be gadhantakar vyapta guhantastha deha vyaparaha. This will be paksha. Hetu is deha vyaparatvam. देह व्यापारत्वम will be हेतु. So what will be the vyapti here? Correct. यत्र यत्र देह व्यापारत्वम तत्र तत्र देहातिरिक्त प्रकाश संसर्ग निमित्तत्वम. दिस विल बी द व्याप्ति. वेरेवर देर इज देह व्यापार, एक्टिविटी ऑफ बॉडी, देर अदर देन बॉडी सम प्रकाश इज देर एज द निमित्त. देह अतिरिक्त प्रकाश संसर्ग. बॉडी इज इन एसोसिएशन विथ सम प्रकाश बिकॉज ऑफ विच द बॉडी इज डूइंग व्यापार. In Drishtanta, he has taken waking state. Not waking state, daylight. So, any light is there. Diva, bahir divakar prakash sannidhya nimitta deha vyaparavat ityartha. In the daytime, there is divakar prakash, sunlight, which is outside. Bahir divakar prakash sannidhya nimitta. So the association of that is there, and it's because of that nimitta deha vyaparavat ityartha. Deha is vyaparavan. Vyaparavat means vyaparavan. Matu pratyay is there. This is Drishtanta. So how do you know Drishtanta is valid or not in Anumana? If a drishtanta is given, how do you know it is valid? In drishtanta, hetu should be there, sadhya should be there. Then that drishtanta is valid. And in paksha, hetu should be there. Therefore, sadhya will be there. So in Drishtanta, in the daytime, deha vyapara is there. Yes, because in the Drishtanta, deha vyaparavat is given. So hetu is there. Sadhya is there. Dehatirikta prakasha sansarga is also there. Divakara prakasha sanidhya is given. So in drishtanta hetu is there, sadhya is there. Now in paksha, hetu is there or not? In gaad andhakara vyapta guha antastha, in a dark cave, if body is there, body can do vyapara? Yes. Therefore, if in drishtanta hetu is there, sadhya is there. In paksha hetu is there. Therefore, in paksha sadhya will be there. So therefore, dehatirikta prakasha sansarga nimittatva will be there. Now in that dehatirikta prakasha, there is no surya, there is no chandrama, there is no vanni. There has to be atma, swayam jyoti. This is one anumana. Another anumana. Apicha deho natma mama pratyaya vishayatvat vastradivat. Deha is not atma. Why? Because deha is mama pratyaya vishaya. Like vastra. So drishtanta is vastram. Vastram is mama pratyaya vishayam. Yeah, we use mama vastram, we say, and vastra has anatmatvam. So in vastra, mama pratyaya vishayatvam is there, anatmatva is there. In deha also, mama pratyaya vishayatva is there. Yatra yatra mama pratyaya vishayatvam, tatra tatra anatmatvam. See, in paksha, sadhya, hetu, drishtanta, vyapti, we are experts. But when it comes to deha, our own body, and there we have to do siddhi. I am not this body because this is mama pratyaya vishaya, this is drishya, this is jada, this is samsha. So there, if this attachment increases, then you have to tell, no, this is not the right thing. Nachayam aprasiddho hetu. This hetu, mama pratyaya vishayatvam, this is aprasiddha. He says, no, this is not aprasiddha. Even children, they consider their body as mama only. That's where Stri, Bala, Andha ityadi is given. Asya anubhavasya sarvajaninatvat ityartha. This anubhava is sarvajanina. Everybody has this knowledge. यदि अयम देह आत्मा भवेत् तदा अहम मनुष्य इतिवत् अहम देह इत्यपि स्फुरेत्. If this deha was atma, then tada aham manushya itivat aham deha. This bhanam also should have been there. Aham manushya is that bhanam is there. Aham deha, this bhanam is not, this phuranam is not there. So we are not aware in this way that I am body. I am a human being in this way, I understand. And in particular, when the monkeys are around and all, so you see them and we say, see, I have to behave different from these monkeys. I have to behave different from these dogs or cows. Then only there is some vishesha. Otherwise, pashvadi vishya visheshat. There is no difference between vyutpanna chittanam and pashunam. Who in them also, yatha hi pashvadinam. What is given in Adhyasa Bhashya? Shabdadi vijnane pratikule jate tato nivartante tad anukule cha pravartante. The same thing will happen. And same thing does happen. So when Ajnana Nasha takes place, then this will not happen. Until then, I live just like, not different from Pashu, etc. Tada aham manusya itivat aham deha ityapi sphuret. Na cha evam asti. Aham deha, this kind of sphuranam is not there. Ato na deha atma ityartha. Therefore, Deha cannot be Atma. Now somebody says, Are Aham Manushya itself is Deha Anubhava. Aham Deha and Aham Manushya, they are not two separate experiences. Nacha Manushyoham iti Anubhava eva Dehatma Anubhava. Siddhanti says, no. Manushyoham, this Anubhava is not Deha Atma Anubhava. Why? Tasya Aham Anubhava Vyabhicharat. Dehatma Anubhavasya, Atma Anubhavasya Aham Anubhava Vyabhicharat. Means Deha Anubhava and Aham Anubhava, in them there is Vyabhichara. You can have Tasya, you can use for Dehatma Anubhava. Manushyoham iti Anubhava. Manushyoham, this Anubhava will have Vyabhichara in Dehatma Anubhava. Means Deha is there, yet Manushyoham, this Anubhava will not be there. Therefore, Deha cannot be Atma. And Deha Anubhava and Manushya Anubhava, they both are separate. How? He gives Drishtanta. तथा ही जाग्रद अवस्थायां मनुष्योहम इति अभिमन्यमानः स्वप्ने कदाचित व्याघ्रोहम इति अभिमन्यते. In जाग्रद अवस्था, see, to present some idea, you have to find proper example. Like for example here, right? You want to show that Dehoham and Manushyoham, in them there is Vyabhichara. So, he has used Drishtanta of Jagrat and Swapna. Jagrad avasthayam Manushyoham iti abhimanyamanaha Swapne Vyagroham iti abhimanyate. So in Swapna, he considers himself as Vyagra. So Manushyoham is not there, Vyagroham is there. But Deha is there. Whether it is Manushya Deha or Vyagra Deha, Deha is there, Manushya is not there. So Manushyatva is Vyabhichari of Dehatva. Or you can use another example also, like, means it is limited example. That's why this example is better, what he has given, Jagrat and Swapna. Another example would be that somebody is male and acting as female, let us say, in some drama, in some stage. You know, in the olden days, Ram Leela used to be there. And in Ram Leela, only male characters would be there, because women were not acting on stage in those days. Earlier, so all characters will be played by male only. Sita ji also will be male. Kaikeyi also will be male. All male characters only will be there. So at that time, they will have to play with this idea that I am Stri. Then deer, where will they get it from? Deer will be also male only. Hanumanji, that also will be some male character only. So all characters will be same. So at that time, Vanaroham athva Mrugoham, I am a Mruga, Suvarna Mruga. So this bhava will be there. This bhava they have to entertain. Deha is there. Manushyoham, this abhiman will not be there. Or in another body it can happen that in this body I am Manushya. So in next Janma, of course Charvaks don't believe next Janma, so there is no question. But that also will be convinced to them that you may not accept, but it is a fact. So here example is given in Jagrad Avastha Manusyoham Abhimana is there. Swapne kadachit Vyagroham iti Abhimanyate. Tatra aham anubhava Vyavrittaupi Manushyatwadi Anubhavasya Vyavrittehe. अहम अनुभव अव्यावृत्तावपि मनुष्यत्वादि अनुभवस्य व्यावृत्ते है. सो अहम अनुभव इज देयर बट मनुष्यत्व इज नॉट देयर इन व्याघ्र. मनुष्यत्वादि धर्मक देहात् अन्य. मनुष्यत्वादि धर्मक इज देह तस्मादन्य. मनुष्यत्वादि धर्मक देहाद् अन्य एव अहम अवभास विषयः आत्मा इति सिद्धम. So aham avabhas vishaya atma is siddham. Aham avabhas vishaya atma is different from manushyatwadi dharmaka deha. This much is siddham. Dehatirikta atma astitvam. So atma which is different from body and atma anubhava is different from manushya anubhava. This is also siddham. Now somebody says, you are giving all this anumana and all. Charvak don't accept any other pramana other than pratyaksha. What is the use of giving all these anumana pramana? How many pramana Charvak accept? Only pratyaksha. Remember, in the beginning only, in the first Manasollasa Vartika section, it is said Charvak accept one pramana, Bauddha Vaisheshika 2 pramana, then Prabhakara 3 pramana, Nayayika 4 pramana, Prabhakara 5 pramana, Nayayika some 3 pramana, some 4 pramana, like that. So nanu pratyakshayika pramanavadinam Charvakam prati anumanaihi dehatirikta atma astitva sadhanam asangatam iti chet. What is the use of using so many anumana for those who don't accept anumana pramana? They say only pratyaksham. If I see it, I believe it. Anumanaihi, through anumana, deha atirikta atma astitva sadhanam. You are doing siddhi of atma, deha atirikta atmatva through anumana. It is asangatam. It is all inappropriate. Iti chet atra bruma. Is Bhagavan Tikakar says, I will tell you. अनुमानादि अनभ्युपगमे प्रतिवाद्य अभिप्रायस्य प्रत्यक्षा विषयत्वात् तदुक्ति मार्गादि समाश्रयणमंतरेण तम प्रत्याक्षेप समाधानादि प्रवृत्त्यनुपपत्तेः. अनुमानादि आदिपदेन शब्द प्रमाण. अनुमान एंड शब्द प्रमाण anabhyupagame. If you don't accept, if somebody doesn't accept, Charvak or anybody, prativadi abhiprayasya, you cannot do vada, because whatever prativadi says, you have to say yes, I understand, no, I don't understand, right? And he is the vadi prativadi discussion will be through shabda only. So if you say I don't accept shabda pramana for producing jnanam, how are you going to do tarka? How are you going to discuss? How are you going to do vada charcha? Vada katha it is called. Prativadi abhiprayasya pratyaksha avishayatvat. Prativadi abhipraya is not pratyaksha vishaya. Whatever words are hitting the eardrums, that is pratyaksha. But the meaning of the words is known only through shabda jnana, shabda pramana. So that if you don't accept, then pratyaksha avishayatvat tad ukti margadi samashrayana mantarena. So that ukti means whatever is said, that path, ukti marga adi. Adi means whatever is said, that path or any indication, any sanya, any sanket, any cheshta, all of them samashraya mantarena, without taking that as the ashraya, samashraya mantarena, tam prati akshepa samadhanadi pravritti anupapatte hai. towards the prativadi, you cannot do any akshepa, you cannot do any samadhana. Let us say Purva Paksha is Charvaka and Prativadi is there, somebody, Siddhanti, anybody. Purva Pakshi makes an argument, Charvaka. The other person, has he understood or not? How will you know? Through Anumana only. You have used Shabda Pramana. So Shabda you have to use to communicate. Then Shabda has produced Jnanam or not, that you will know through Anumana. If this person did not understand. Let us say one person said, the weather is very hot. The other person is said, my granddaughter is not getting married on Monday, she is getting married on Tuesday. One fellow said weather is very hot. Another fellow means that other fellow is deaf. He could not hear what was said. And when this fellow says, no, my granddaughter is getting married on Tuesday, not on Monday, this other fellow says, yes, onion prices are going up. There is no sambandha. Both of them are deaf. So, Vadi Prativadi Akshepa Samadhana Pravritti will not happen if Shabda Pramana and Anumana Pramana is not used. And that's why students have to be in proximity of teacher, and teacher speaks and he sees in the eyes of the student. So teacher will realize whether student has understood it or not from the face of the student. So teacher knows whether to repeat, whether to go further or to take it to the next level. All of that depends upon Anumana Pramana. If you don't accept Anumana, how will it work? Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.